Hello. Now again in Material Science and Engineering, Unit 2, Engineering Materials. The topic is solidification of metals. What is this solidification of metal? The first one, a metal is molten condition, possesses high energy. Second one is, as the melt cools, it loses energy to form crystals. Third one, since heat losses is more rapid near mold walls than any other place, the first submicroscopic metal crystallit is called nucleic form. The fourth one is, as solidification proceeds, more and more arms grow on an existing dendrites, and also more and more dendrites form until whole melt is crystallized. The fifth one is, however, under such conditions, melt under cool and thus nucleic or seeds crystal form. The sixth one is, nucleic form as above tend to grow at the second stage of solidification. Seventh one, the crystal growth occurs in a dendrites manner. Eighth one is, matter in the crystalline state shows long range order and has regularity of atomic spacing. Metallic crystals possess internal symmetry. The ninth one is, metal experience difficulty in starting to crystallize if no nuclei in the form of impurities are present to start the crystallization. 10th, the crystal growth proceeds with release of energy at crystal's melt interference. And the 11th is, dendrite growth take places by the evolution of small arms on the original branches of individual dendrites. Now, these solid dendrites gives rise to grains. The first is, slow cooling make the dendrites to grow long, whereas fast cooling causes short dendrites growth. And the second one is, since eventually dendrites becomes grains, slow cooling result in the large grain structure and fast cooling in small grains in the solidified metals. Now the topic is solidification of alloy. Pure metals are allowed to improve their property for a specific application. The first one is main type of alloys, which is includes peritectic alloys, solid solution alloys, and eutectic alloys. Second one is alloy metal process, which is include improved castability. Second one is higher tensile strength. Next is lower melting points. Next, better high temperature strength. And the next is improve machinability and workability. And the next is better corrosion resistance. The third one is solid solution alloys, which is include their characteristics and solidification. The first is solid solution alloy based upon solidability, which is the irreversible mixing of two solid into a single phase. Second is solid solution alloy exhibit differential freezing. Third one is differential freezing promotes growth in a manner other than by the advance of a smooth interference.